Hi everyone and welcome to Wordpandit. In this video, let us discuss the word intransigence. Okay, so intransigence is basically a refusal to change somebody's point of view or to give into any kind of influence or to agree about something. Basically, if somebody being extremely stubborn, okay, this is a stubborn mindedness, okay, so that quality is called, or that trait is called intransigence, okay, extremely narrow-minded person. So a narrow-mindedness is called intransigence. All right, no matter how much you try to influence that person, he will just say, as you can see in this picture, he will raise his hand probably and say that, hey, I do not want to listen to you, I have made up my mind already, so this is what I'm going to do. Okay, now let us take a look at some of the synonyms that we have here. The first one is uncompromising. Now, what is compromising? Somebody who is trying to understand what the other side is saying, somebody who shows empathy, somebody who is willing to make adjustments as per the situation. So someone who is uncompromising is basically extremely harsh or relentless. Okay, he does not give in to any kind of a pressure. You cannot reason with that other person, you cannot make him adjust either. Okay, he will say it is my way or highway. All right, the next one is inflexible. Now, when someone is flexible, basically you can talk to that person, you can make him compromise on something, right? So someone who is being inflexible would be unwavering, right? He would be unshakable, you cannot change his point of view. Someone who is absolutely obstinate, that's a brilliant synonym. All right, now the next word is unbending. Now, when someone is bending or someone who is flexible, he is basically willing to adjust. So someone who is unbending would be extremely formal, not at all casual, very, very strict, and very, very even reserved. Okay, all right, the next word is unyielding. Now, when something is when something is yielding, you can extract something out of that person or that thing, right? It can produce something, it will give you some kind of an output. So when somebody is being unyielding, what's he acting like? He will not give in to pressure, he will probably not say a word, he will not answer your questions, he will not surrender to the constant discussion or pressure. Okay, someone who cannot be swayed at all. Okay, swaying is basically moving. Okay, someone who can be swayed is someone who can be influenced. So when he says that, hey, I'm not going to adjust, I'm not going to answer your questions, he's basically being unyielding. So I hope all these explanations help you understand the meaning of the word intransigence and its synonyms. That's all for now. Happy learning.